Hi guys, this is Rakhsan Razan Safrudin here. So today I'm gonna present about my ode poem. Let's get started. Oh, my motorcycle is cool. My motorcycle is red. The speed is fast, like aeroplane speed. My motorcycle is cool. Motorcycle is as fast as Shinkansen train. I like riding motorcycle. I feel like Valentino Rossi from Italy. It is the best feeling in the world. The motorcycle dances on the road. The sound is like brum brum brum. Motorcycle sound is music in my ears. And that's my explain of my ode poem. And now the explanation. I always riding motorcycle because it's fun and I like it. Someday I will riding motorcycle in my grandmother's house with Mas OG. And that's for me. I explained about my ode poem. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell button for more videos. That's all for now. This is Rakhsan Razan Safrudin signing out. Bye.